Hi, this is a review of the order trading system activity for January the 31st, 2021. We had 5 trades on that day. All 5 trades were buys. First trade was CRM. That's Salesforce.com Incorporated, tripped at 11:55:21 a.m. at a price of 232.63. Excuse me, at 229.41. Closed at 232.63, up 4.73. After hours dropped 0.01%, which is not much. So that's a positive result. Look at the indicators. Okay, volume steadily moving up and drop. End of day was a bit of a spike. So you see up here, peaked when it MACD peaked when it tripped, moved down a little bit, and then end of day period it jumped up again. DI same thing, and then up at the end of the day. Bollinger Band pretty much up. The stock definitely was moving positive for the day. Next trade is COTY. That's Cody Incorporated, tripped at 12:41 p.m. at a price of 8.36. Closed the day at 8.48, up 4.31%, and dropped 0.71% after hours. So that's another positive. And we'll check the indicators. Excuse me. OBV fairly steadily climbs, so that's not bad. MACD came up, stayed up okay, and end of the day jumped up again. DI came up, a little bit of a negative movement late afternoon, and end of day jumped up. Bollinger Band came up, sideways came up, so looks like it, for the most part, was moving positive. Next trade is NXPI. That's NXP Semiconductors NV, tripped at 2:07:02 p.m. at a price of 202.76. Closed the day at 205.44, up 8.44% and up 0.61% after hours. That's also another positive. I'll check the indicators on that one. Excuse me. Volume not too bad, a fairly steady climb for the period that it was monitored. MACD up and a little bit of drop late afternoon, mid-late afternoon, and then a jump up at the end of the day. DI same thing, pretty much positive for the most part, and a little bit of drop in mid-afternoon. Bollinger Band up. It looks like it was pretty much moving up on a regular basis. The stock also was moving positive. Next trade is NIO. That's NEO Incorporated, tripped at 2:30:01 p.m. at a price of 24.54. It closed the day at 24.51, up 17.27% and up 0.78% after hours. So I say pre-market is up 0.78%. Okay, 2:30. Yeah, it pretty much, yeah. Technically, that was a ceiling it hit. And take a look at the indicators. Oh, BB up, not too bad. MACD up and up in the day. DI up, drop a little bit after mid-afternoon, up in the afternoon. Stock technically was moving positive. Not strong pause, but then again, you can see it climbed a bit, so most likely it probably increased a good percentage early morning, and then rose a little bit and then stayed there pretty much steadily. So I'll say that's a possible, just because indicators don't look that bad. Next trade is PRVB, and that's Prevention Bio Incorporated, tripped at 5:44. Excuse me, tripped at 3:45:05 p.m. at a price of 5:44. Closed today at 5:36, up 28.85%. up 0.56% after hours. So the stock, also the stock that's doing good. We caught it here at the end of the day, but you can see it actually increased quite a bit during the day also. So it still came up a good amount. The volume looks good, MACD looks good, DI looks good, Bollinger Band looks good. I'd say the stock, DI showed a little bit of negative, but it's somewhat in line with positive, so it's somewhat just technically same moving sideways, but the stock itself looks to be, somewhat positive in general. I'm going to say it's another possible, just because the indicators look strong for it. So that's 3 out of 5 stocks. Positive and 100% with the possibility. I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you.